Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English words. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled you're here with me today. Our word of the day is ancestor, a B2 level noun that means a family member from the past. An ancestor is someone in your family who lived before you, often many generations back. For example, your great-great-grandparents are your ancestors. This word is often used when talking about family history, heritage, or cultural roots. Let's explore some synonyms for ancestor. You could use forebear or predecessor. For instance, her forebears were pioneers in this region, or the traditions of our predecessors are still celebrated today. These synonyms add a slightly formal tone to your sentences. Now, let's consider antonyms for ancestor. One good example is descendant. While an ancestor is from the past, a descendant is someone who comes after. You might say, the descendants of the original settlers continue to live here today. Another antonym is heir, which focuses on someone who inherits or comes next. For instance, as the heir to the family estate, she takes great pride in maintaining it. In everyday life, you might use ancestor when discussing genealogy, traditions, or even history. For example, my ancestors immigrated to this country over 100 years ago, or he takes great interest in studying the customs of his ancestors. You might also hear it in phrases like honoring our ancestors or tracing your ancestry. Here are a few sentences to help you see the word in action. The museum exhibit featured artifacts belonging to our distant ancestors. Learning about her ancestors helped her feel connected to her cultural heritage. Many people visit historical sites to understand how their ancestors lived. And that wraps up our exploration of the word ancestor. It's such a meaningful word, reminding us of the rich history that connects us to the past. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. If you enjoyed learning about ancestor, don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd love for you to create your own sentence using ancestor and share it as a comment under this episode. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of words.